clearly there's not enough women going into engineering, and that's an untapped talent. The thing about the future enterprises, high-tech, Industry 4.0, IoT, high-tech businesses, even the development of renewable energy, these are clean technologies. I think that's a huge potential for women to be involved in, because it's not seen as traditional, it's seen as new, and that's where the pull is. It's less about engineering bits of steel as creating a service out of the engineering, you know. And Luxinar, clean, it's immaculate, it's forward-thinking, it invests in its people, it's international, and I think that's what you're seeing now in the likes of Ørsted when they're recruiting, Siemens Gamesa. If you go over and meet the new Siemens mobility team, you know, it's very driven by women, and they're looking to recruit that. If they're anchoring here, that's going to have a pull from the academic side on the studies, from people coming nationally to work here, because, you know, the Humber itself may not seem attractive, but I've walked around here from my time. You know, you've got the Wolds literally a mile that way, you've got green areas. It's quite a nice place to bring up, and if you are wanting to relocate as a woman into the region to work in this industry and build a family and a presence, I think it's got all the hallmarks of being a fantastic place for women to want to be in engineering.